Across industries, capital priorities are shifting and accelerating in new directions. Every decision you make will define the future of your business. Capital planning is where every high-stakes investment begins. Every dollar you commit carries a story. A data center powering the flow of data that drives modern life. A healthcare facility serving thousands. A manufacturing line driving growth. A retail hub connecting communities. For facility owner-operators like you, these aren't just projects. They are strategic bets that shape what comes next. But making those bets with complex, disconnected tools that are hard to integrate and lack intelligence can feel like steering a billion-dollar portfolio with a blindfold on. Fragmented data hides risks, markets shift, priorities change. Without instant financial clarity and connected decision-making, ROI can slip away before you see it coming. In a market growing this fast, every decision brings enormous opportunity and just as much risk. You need a system that adapts as conditions evolve. Intelligence starts upstream with capital planning, where you set goals, prioritize, and model scenarios to decide what to build and why, informing every step downstream. Primus Plan is a multi-year capital and portfolio planning solution that closes the loop, linking early planning with design, construction, and operations, allowing you to have real-time financial visibility through the project lifecycle. Today, facility owner-operators are placing greater emphasis on aligning every project's why with its what and how. Primus Plan makes it possible by delivering full portfolio visibility, accurate forecasting, and confident decision-making. With AI as a planning assistant, you can protect and grow every CapEx dollar, identifying the right opportunities, exploring trade-offs, prioritizing high-impact investments, and mitigating risk while providing intelligent oversight of portfolio health and guiding better decisions before a single dollar is committed.
It is important to break down the data silos between financial planning and project execution. Without real-time, bidirectional data flow, teams are left with outdated actuals, incomplete information, and blind spots that can derail project success. Primus Plan solves this by connecting both ends of the capital lifecycle through seamless integration with Autodesk Construction Cloud. Capital planners can develop capital plans, define project charters, budgets, and coding structures, all aligned with Autodesk's cost setup. With a single click, these plans can be published directly into Autodesk Construction Cloud, complete with synchronized budget codes and attributes. Once execution begins, field and project teams can record actuals, commitments, change orders, and invoices, then sync the data back to planning with a click of a button. Planners gain an accurate view of financial performance, including updated cash flows and actionable insights to optimize portfolios and drive ROI. This live feedback loop ensures your capital strategy stays current, your forecasts remain relevant, and your teams, from the boardroom to the job site, are always aligned.
With Primus Plan, you can identify and evaluate high ROI investment opportunities aligned with strategic goals. Gain a 360-degree view of your financials with budgets, forecasts, and risk assessments. Use AI-powered scenario modeling to optimize your capital investment plan. Integrate planning with downstream execution to ensure a seamless closed loop from strategy through delivery. Primus Plan is your financial control tower for today's complex capital portfolios. When billions are on the line, every blind spot is a liability. In a world where every dollar you commit carries a story, Primus Plan ensures that that story is one of smarter planning, stronger execution, and better ROI for your customers and community.